Hello everyone. In this session, we will be learning how to remove duplicates using the built-in option which is provided in Excel. Say for example, here we have a table which has n number of duplicate values as I have already highlighted. So this might be a scenario in your situation where you might be having a huge data where particular column is having n number of duplicate values within it. So you want to remove the entire rows of that duplicated value containing cell of that particular row. So for example, here is a data and I want to remove this particular duplicated value, not the original value, duplicate value. So for that, I have to select the column, go to data. Here you can see an option called as remove duplicates. As soon as I click the cell, it will ask for the expand the section. Yeah, expand the selection. So it will select the entire table. Yes, remove duplicates. You can see SL number table. I'm selecting the table column where my actual duplicate value is present. Then I'll click on OK. You can see it is indicating that 3 duplicate values found and removed. So 12 unique values remain. So if I click OK, you can see there are 12 unique values which is unique, which does not have any duplicates. For identifying whether it has removed or not, for easy reference I had mentioned the serial number or a row where it has having a sequence of numbers, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you cannot see 8 9 because it was having duplicate values. Same ways, say 11 and 13, between that 12 has been removed because of its duplicate value. So I hope this session gave you a fair idea on how to remove duplicate values in your given data. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.